All right, guys, welcome back to NVS Rides. We are going to adjust the headlights, or at least show you how to adjust the headlights. You probably watched the video, maybe you haven't, where we installed the LED headlights. They are off just a little bit. They need to come down. The factory bulbs were adjusted really well. These must just shoot up a little higher. So what we're gonna do, walk you through how to adjust up and down, in and out, meaning bring your bulb in, push your bulb out, lift your bulb up, slide your bulb down. Really simple adjustment. I do have to admit, the Chevys are easier. With the Chevy, I can adjust it without taking the rings off. They have little grooves built in here. You might be able to get to it. I believe your adjuster's here. And at the top, I can't get to it with these buckets. Got a little ladybug there. What you're gonna need, Phillips. Go ahead, get these taken off. Try not to drop anything. And we are just gonna set these here. It is chilly outside, so I will show you how to adjust them in a minute. Like what I do, I pull up to the shop. Because all the pleats on the door, it makes it really easy to align and see where the headlights are at and get them lined up. If you don't have that, you can use a piece of painter's tape or something. This guy don't want to come out. There we go. I set mine different. I put my top ones at the top, bottom goes at the bottom. And once you get on that last one, make sure you hold this. All right, come right in here. It's going to be a little harder to see. Does this have a light function? We got to zoom in a little bit and then we can get our light. Right up here is your up and down. Right over here is your left and right. I'm assuming, you know what it means to assume, I haven't checked. If I tighten this, it will pull the light this way. If I loosen it, it'll let it go that way. Same with the top. If I'm tightening it, it will lift the light up. If I loosen it, it will come down. So I want to come one. I'm gonna go about 3 turns there. And I think that's gonna bring my light down because I was up into the trees. What I'm gonna do, get the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna remove those 4 bolts, get this bucket off, and then I'm going to be able to adjust it there. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Then I'm gonna back out, line you up to the door. We'll see where the beams are and we'll do a little bit of an adjustment. All right, guys, so what you can see here is I'm trying to line up both headlights. When we started, we were up here. I am now down here. I'm gonna leave the buckets off, probably go for a little spin, see how it works. Take this with you. And like I said, righty-tighty will raise it, so righty raise, lefty lower. That's freaking genius. On this car anyways. Be careful, you can strip it. I think there's some plastic pieces on a lot of these. I think this is going to be pretty good. We're going to go take it for a spin, see how it goes. If we need to, we'll bring them down a little bit more. As far as left and right goes, mine look pretty good. I may want to drive this left one in just a little bit. It seems like it's shooting to the side of the car just a hair. I mean, this is what you got here, is just something to line it up. If you have a wall that doesn't have lines, you can put down some painter's tape. I might tow this one in just a bit. As I'm turning that, I can slowly see the headlight moving. The only reason I'm doing that is to keep it out of people coming at me's eyes. This side I don't mind as much over there. This side I'm just trying to bring it in a little bit. I'm gonna take it for a ride. We'll kind of show you a little clip on that. If we have to adjust it out there, we'll do it on the fly. Let's go for a little spin. Okay guys, this is pre-adjustment right here. You can see it's not bad, but it's just not right. And as we come up the hill, this is where it really scares me. Right now I have no light on the road. It's all up in the sky. So we definitely needed to bring it down. And some of you guys might be dealing with this right now. You do not want to be driving like this. The whole time I'm driving, right in front of me is black, can't see, and my lights are off the road because they're just too high. Here you can see they're adjusted down quite a bit. You're getting a lot more reflection back at you. And as we come up that same hill, I'm going a little slower, but that doesn't matter. It's holding the road. I can see the road. Here on the last shot, we were all the way blacked out. We had nothing we could see, and now with the lights being adjusted a little better, I feel like I'm able to see the left and the right side of the road and the entire road. And as we roll to the end here, I am still in contact with the road, feeling a lot more confident about my driving and how the lights are adjusted. That I feel like I can see.
It's really good.
It does. All right, guys, that last little clip, that's a pretty good turn. If your lights are adjusted properly, you're going to have a lot more confidence in your car at night. You're also going to be able to see those deer. These are my high beams. Those are my regular beams. I've got to say that a properly adjusted headlight doesn't take too long, but it can sure give you a lot of peace of mind while you're out driving. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please go down below, leave a comment, leave a like, think about subscribing. We've got a lot more content for this car coming. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.